have a gate change, our new gate is going to be at E8. Platform to Jason Lee Yong-yi, Mercado Mills, Athena,
JetBlue is currently
Ortiz,
paging customer
Jade,
Merly Cabral
Zhao
on flight
Nguyen.
345
If you have
with
heard
service to
any pieces to
Barcelona.
speak,
Once again, that
you
is
better
Merly
answer
Cabral
top
on
mention.
flight
Thank
345 with
you.
service to Barcelona. Please proceed to make C24. Your flight is fully boarded and ready for non-time departure. Thank you.
S4 to board departure to gate E3. Please proceed to gate E3 to obtain a physical boarding pass in order to board this aircraft. Thank you. This will serve as a gate change announcement. Our new gate of the departure is E9. Once again, for the passengers that want to British Airlines flight TK82, this is a gate change announcement. Our new gate of departure is E9. And to those passengers traveling KLM 618, this is a reminder we are doing biometric boarding, so please pay attention to the instructions on the floor and keep your distance at time of boarding. While someone's on the yellow triple number 2, please remain on the red triple number 1 until clear. Thank you.
Oh my God! What?
KL 618 service to Amsterdam is now welcome in zone 4, zone 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm welcome aboard at gate D4 for KL 618 service to Amsterdam. Thank you.
I'm going to bed.
This one's for takeout, so you can grab it.
accept boarding passes from your mobile phone. We also do not accept boarding passes from JetBlue, American Airlines, Delta, or Pacific Home. If you have one of those boarding passes, please make your way to gate E8 so we can verify your passport at this moment. This is only by verify, so report next name.
Your name is purchased at E5 for mandatory passport verification. Alves Victoria, Audrey Gabriel, Bizarbachi Ali, Mati Dunia, Benutari Youssef, Ugram Mahan, Brown Alen Henry, Cassidy Georgia, Kulanat Catherine, Desartha Samuel, Denhia Manan, Dustart Stephen, Elias Nadine, Elmas Catherine, Feng Yuyuhua, Gardner Eric, Gospon, Hardy Amelia, Howard Benjamin, and Sue Jessica. Once again, if you heard your name, please go to the E5 for mandatory passport verification. Thank you.
See your name, please state E3.
Caitlin Botelio, Ellie Cioto, Sheilyn Donovan, Destiny Marie Beeson, Corey Faria, Paul Garcia, Colton Jesperson, Camille Petrus, and Emmanuel Silva. If you hear your name, please investigate E3.
Even for you.
Attention passengers flying Air France Flight 331 to Paris Charles de Gaulle. If you hear your name, please approach us at gate E5 for mandatory passport verification. Kazlaram Michael, Callis Aposto, Kimi Aline, Kavangar Amir, Kufner Michael, LeBlanc Antoine, Lecouf Clementine, Lanitas